How do I transfer my Roblox account items to another account?
Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the process of transferring your Roblox account items to another account. Whether you're looking to consolidate your collections or help out a friend, we've got you covered. Let's get started.
Understanding the limitations.
Before we jump into the transfer process, it's important to understand the limitations set by Roblox. Unfortunately, Roblox does not provide a direct feature to transfer items between accounts. This means we'll have to employ a workaround to achieve our goal. Don't worry though, we'll guide you through the steps.
Setting up a group.
The first step towards transferring your items is to create a group on Roblox. This group will act as an intermediary platform to facilitate the transfer process. Follow these steps to set up your group. 1. Log in to your Roblox account. 2. Click on the Create button at the top of the page. 3. Select Group from the drop-down menu. 4. Fill in the necessary information for your group, such as the name, description, and logo. 5. Once you're done, click Create Group to finalize the setup.
Transferring items to the group.
Now that you have your group set up, it's time to transfer your items to the group's inventory. Here's how you can do it. 1. Go to your Roblox account and navigate to the Create section. 2. Choose a game that allows you to create and edit items, e.g., a simple clothing creation game. 3. Create a temporary item, such as a t-shirt, and upload it to the game. 4. Purchase the temporary item using your main account's Robux or virtual currency. 5. Head to the group store page and click on the Create button to upload the temporary item to your group's inventory. 6. Repeat these steps for each item you wish to transfer to the group.
Transferring items to the new account.
With your items safely stored in the group's inventory, it's time to transfer them to the new account. Follow these steps to complete the transfer. 1. Log out of your current account and log into the account where you want to receive the transferred items. 2. Navigate to the group store page on the new account. 3. Find the items you transferred to the group and purchase them using the new account's Robux or virtual currency. 4. After the purchase is complete, the items will be added to the new account's inventory, and you can use them as you wish. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to transfer your Roblox account items to another account using a workaround method. Remember, while Roblox doesn't provide a direct transfer feature, setting up a group and utilizing its inventory allows you to move your items between accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video!